First semester BCom examination, March-April 2022. NEP solved question paper. Commerce, Principles of Marketing. Section A. 1. Answer any 6 sub-question. Each sub-question carries 2 marks, 2x 6 equals 12. A. Define marketing. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. B. What is sales promotion? A sales promotion is a marketing strategy in which a business uses a temporary campaign or offer to increase interest or demand in its product or service. For example, buy one get one offer, discounts etc. C. Expand AIDA. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire and action. D. What is the meaning of new product development? New product development is the overall process of conceptualizing, designing, planning, and commercializing a new product in an effort to bring it to market. A. State 2 Importance of green marketing. To fulfill the obligation of social responsibility towards society. To comply with government policies and pressure. Our quality of life is increasingly impacted. Helps in reducing costs on recycling. F. Who are marketing intermediaries? Marketing intermediaries are the individuals or independent firms which assist in the flow of goods and services from producers to end users, consumers. They include agents, wholesalers and retailers, marketing services agencies, physical distribution companies, and financial institutions. G. What is a brand? A brand is a unique identity of a business, including its name, term, sign, symbol, used to identify the products and to distinguish it from the competitors. It represents how customers perceive the business and its values. H. What is a product mix? Product mix can be understood as offering many lines of product by one organization. Each product line may consist of range of items or sublines. An organization's product mix has the important proportion that is length, width, and depth. Section B. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, 4x 3 equals 12. 2. Distinguish between marketing and selling. Base is marketing selling, meaning 1. It is satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. Selling only involve exchange of money for goods or services. Inception 2. It starts before decision of production of goods or services. It starts after decision of production of goods and services. Subject matter 3. Marketing accounts importance to satisfaction of consumer wants effectively. Selling emphasis to sell the products. Environment 4. It has to consider both internal and external factors of business. Selling considers only internal factors like production and distribution of products. Scope 5. It has wider scope. The selling has only limited scope. Dynamic 6. It utilizes various functional areas to achieve the long-term objectives of business. It emphasizes on adopting future technology. It is short-term oriented and focus on today's product and market. 3. What is marketing research? Explain its objectives. Market research. It is defined as the process of evaluating feasibility of the new product or service through research conducted directly with potential customer. This method allows organization or business to discover their target market, collect and document opinions and make informed decisions. It can be conducted directly by organization or can be outsourced. Objectives of marketing research. Administrative objectives, social objectives, economical objective. 4. Briefly explain the need for public relations for business. Public relations is a marketing communications functions intended to collaborate and build mutually beneficial relation with organizations' publics, including consumers, stockholders, and government. Need for public relations. Strategic planning, audience analysis, content creation, media relations, investor relations, crisis communication, event management, reputation management, ethical practices. 5. What are the objectives of price setting? Target rate of return, price stabilization, target share of the market, facing competition, profit maximization, improving public image. 6. Explain the levels of a product. Core product, basic, actual product, expected product, augmented product, potential product. Section C. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 12 marks, 12x 3 equals 36. 7. Examine the factors that must be considered while selecting a distribution channel. Product factors, physical nature, product technicalities, product range, product price, market factors, competition of target market, availability of channel, buyer behavior, legal constraints, industrial factors, promotional activity, financing capacity, after-sales services, channel cost, organization factors, financial resources, reputation, marketing policy. 8. Explain how external marketing environment has an impact on organization. It consists of all the factors which provide the opportunities to an organization. The external environment include a variety of factors like national, international and local economy, social changes, demographic variables, political system, technology, raw materials and other sources and other macro-level factors make up the external environment. It is classified into two. Micro-environment. It refers to the environment which is closely linked to the organization and directly affect the organizational activities. Customer, marketing intermediaries, supplier, competitors. Macro-environment. The organization factors which affect indirectly on organizational activities. Demographic environment, economic environment, natural environment, technological environment, political environment. 9. Discuss the recent trends and development in the field of marketing. Social marketing, online marketing, green marketing, rural marketing, mobile marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, network marketing, live video streaming marketing, search engine optimization, SEO. Global marketing. 10. Explain the product life cycle and the marketing strategies adopted at each stage of PLC. Stage 1. Introduction. In this stage, product is being released into a market. When a new product is released, it is often high stake time in product life cycle. It is not necessary to make or break the product eventual success. Under this stage, low sales, high cost for customer, financial losses, innovative customers, few competitors. Stage 2. Growth. Under this stage, consumers are already taking the product at increasing and it's becoming more popular. Increasing sales, cost per customer falls, profit prices, increasing number of customer, more competitors. Stage 3. Maturity. Marketing at this point is targeting at finding of competition and company will often develop new or alternative ways to reach different market segments. Under this stage, peak sales, cost for customer is lower, profits will be higher. Mass market, stable number of competitors. Stage 4. Decline. In the decline stage, product sales drops significantly and consumer behavior changes as there is less demand for the product. The company's product loses more and more market share and competition tends to cause sales to decline. Under this stage, falling sales, cost per customer lower, profit falls, customer-based contracts, number of competitors fall. Conclusion. As according to the different stages in this product life cycle it is required to take or carry different marketing strategies based on the different stages. 11. What is marketing segmentation? Explain the basis of segmentation. Marketing segmentation. Segmentation is a consumer-oriented marketing strategy. It is the process of dividing the market on the basis interest, need and motive consumers. It simply means dividing market or grouping of consumers according to their income, age, race, education, gender, geographical location etc. Basis of segmentation. Demographic segmentation. Age, sex, family life cycle, religion, income, occupation, family size, education. Psychographic segmentation. Lifestyle, personality, social class, geographic segmentation, area, climate, population density, behavioral segmentation, attitude, product, occasion, benefits, volume, loyalty, socio-economic segmentation, cross-culture segmentation. Thank you. Subscribe.